Thinking about deleting your DeepSeek AI account, whether you're switching to another service or just taking a break, I'll show you exactly how to remove your account step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete DeepSeek AI account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open DeepSeek AI app on your phone. Then tap on the two horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on the profile icon in the bottom section of your screen. Now in this page, you can see delete account option. Tap on it. A confirmation message might pop up asking if you are sure that you want to delete your account, and if you're sure, tap on the delete option. Once confirmed, your DeepSeek AI account will be scheduled for deletion. Some services might take a few days to fully remove all your data, so keep that in mind. And that's it, your DeepSeek AI account is now deleted. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.